Welcome to my boy channel. I am your vlogger, Teacher B, Erlinda B, Basilio Rindon. I'm alive here in Mintal Market, and the people here are very accommodating. Please shout out, sir.
Shout out our family in here in Mintal.
Mintal, yeah.
Hermoso family about to other side of Cebu.
Cebu, yeah. Okay.
Malulated. Thanks for Hermoso family.
Yeah, name, sir, name.
I'm Vincent Hermoso po.
Yeah, okay. Subscribe na my boy channel.
Post his channel.
Okay. Yeah, one of the school owners. So, thank you. So I'm looking for balanghoy. What are you selling? Ano ba yung
We're
balik niya?
selling coconut, buko.
Buko.
And then coconut.
Coconut.
Yes.
Balanghoy. Sige. Thank you. So let's explore the Mintal Market here. I'm going to the balanghoy, or they call this balanghoy, balinghoy. Do you have balinghoy? Balanghoy, sir? Or,
Balanghoy.
oh, where? This one? Oh, this is kamuti. Kamuti man to. Wala. Naamoy balanghoy? Wala. Kamuti man.
Narito ang balanghoy, mama.
Ha? Asa? Sige. Thank you, ha. Very accommodating Mintal Market owners.
What's up?
Okay, shout out. Hawaii channel. So, I'm looking for my favorite balanghoy. Do you have? Only banana? Naamoy balanghoy? Pikas? Pila man ang kilo? Asa man? Asa man? Wala man? Gabaligya mo balanghoy? Pilang kilo?
25.
Tagaid ko. Asa man? Ay, palipod ka. So, finally, naanag yun balanghoy. Yeah. Asagikan inyong baligya nga balanghoy. Ha? Akalinan, no. Okay, bago lang na siya na kuha. Okay, so 25 per kilo. Nakakita na rin ako dito, Mintal Market. So 1 kilo only.
Kulang na.
So this is the balanghoy. Balanghoy here. We call that balanghoy, but in our place, this is balinghoy or kasaba. So I'm buying now 1 kilo. Only 1 kilo, as much as it will be heavy for me. I'll be going back to Pequeño. Okay, nice one. So, adjacent stall owners, they have also bananas. Yeah, have agreed. So this is my a day in Mintal Market or Palengke. We call this Palengke. So I'm waiting for my order. Yung hindi masyadong parang gamay lang, no? Ayaw ng dago kayo. Sige. Hintay lang ako. Okay, so we have already our 1 kilo. So let's get our pambayad. 1 kilo na. So how's the business? Okay lang?
Okay lang yan. Ninyo lang mandigaro na.
Name, shout out. Magboy channel. Name.
Razor Jan.
Yeah, the vendor, sole owner of balanghoy here in Davao. Okay. Oops. So here is the balanghoy. I think in lang lower price. Okay, I love this. We are going to have this boiled. 25 per kilo. Thank you so much.
Thank you, te.
Okay, this is my day in Mintal Market, Palengke sa Mintal. Exploring. Yeah, I've already my balanghoy, may kasaba. So let's go home now. Where we're going to ride. Okay, glimpses of mental market, sharing you my a day in Davao City. Okay, where are we going now? Let's go to the exit.
Diri ka sa ano
Experience mental market for a moment in my Davao stay. It's a wonderful afternoon, strolling here, sharing you my exploration. Wow, it's so nice place. People are so accommodating here. You have question, they are ready to answer you of your inquiry. Where is the place? They will answer you politely. So, different stall owners. So as usual, it is composed of many business owners, the parlor, groceries, the bags, and other items here. So I'm going out of the mental market now. Okay, let's ride. They call this pedicab here. Can you bring me sa katong padto Pequeño na sakyanan? Oo, kanang nandiyan lang magulat ako jeep. Katong gulatanan dito sa gawa. Ha? Pwede lakton? Sige to. Oh. Salamat ha. Kani pa anak lang ko. Oh, thank you so much. Very accommodating people of the park. So, I don't need to ride according to the pedicab driver. It's really nice one because they will not have this feeling of abusing you. Some are making abuses. They will tour you around and around. It's actually just near. Okay. Dito lang muna. So, my exploration. So, Mabua years, this is it for those who were not able yet to sleep down in Mintal market or palengke. Oh, they have also, they have also the dried fish, avocado. Okay, I'm just making my exploration. Where is the location for the jeep going to Pequeño? Let's explore and explore the town of Mintal, Davao City. Oh, there. So it's already there. In few steps, I will reach the area of my location to wait for the jeep going to Pequeño. So no need to ride according to the pedicab driver. Very honest, very polite. So I'm really proud of Davao people because they are really very honest, accommodating. So I'm about to ride a jeep going back to Pequeño. My purpose here is just to vlog and buy this balanghoy. Okay, here I will be waiting for the jeep that will take me to Peking. Sakayan. Ma'am, hunong ba diri ang jeep, ma'am? Hunong? Hunong? Ah, doon sa Kayan. Salamat, ma'am. Okay, so let's proceed to the designated area that we can have our jeepney ride. I need to walk. Okay, let's walk. Few steps only. Still my exercise. Okay, that's the mental gymnasium. Mental gymnasium. Okay, so for now, this is my day in Davao City, exploring Mintal, town of Mintal. Thank you for joining me, my YouTube Mabuhay channel. Thank you everyone, my buhayers. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, like and comment. Please continue supporting me. I'm your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, live and alive here in front of Mintal Gymnasium, Davao City. Like, comment, share my YouTube Mabuhay channel and my Facebook account, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, and the 2 pages. Mabuhay! Mabuhay! See you again. Thank you everyone. Mabuhayers. Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, or the vlogger. Signing off. Mabuhay!